Papa's got some brand new shoes, and I'm about to review them for you right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Voice Mag channel. I am Patrick, normally your personal photo editing guru, but today you already know I'll be your print-on-demand guru. In this video, once again, I'll be reviewing a print-on-demand product to consider adding to your store. It's the casual, breathable, non-slip sports shoes for men and women, link in the description. These are offered by the awesome ladies and gentlemen at ThisNew.com. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see how you can get my print-on-demand and drawing courses for absolutely free. That's right, F-R-E-E. This is where I show you how to draw art like what you see on these shoes in this review and start your online business selling products just like these. So, without further ado, let's get into the review. Who's it for? This is number 3 for This New product reviews. We can probably call this a series at this point. Check out the description if you want to see my This New canvas shoes review. Now, there's no denying how important shoes are to a wardrobe. They're basically essential, so you might as well have a pair of shoes that looks good and shows off your style. And you can steal that pitch for your store if you like. I mentioned in my last review that everyone is selling shirts, but shoes add something special to your apparel store. These are also great as upsells or combo bundles if you design them to match other apparel in your store. Think of a matching shirt and shoes or matching hat and shoes. These shoes are also a must-have if you run an online custom shoe store. For that, I implore you to check out all of the shoe styles offered by This New by searching shoes on ThisNew.com. Before I jump into what I like and don't like about this product, I want to give you a sneak peek of the product I'm going to be reviewing in my next video. Make sure you hit the bell to be notified when I post it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What I like about the casual, breathable, non-slip sports shoes by This New are the style and comfort. By now, we're already used to the awesome print job by This New and the quality products. I have tons of 5-star reviews on Etsy to prove that, but this modern style shoe, I'm really attracted to, and I'm definitely sure it's gonna start turning heads. These shoes are super comfy as well. They're light. Sometimes it feels like I'm only wearing my socks. I've worn these bad boys a few times, and they definitely become my go-to running shoes for running errands and going for walks. Just like with the canvas shoes, shipping was great. It took about 5 business days to produce these bad boys and about 7 for them to arrive. It's almost like they teleported these to me. What I don't like. I can only think of one thing that I didn't like about these shoes, and it's only a personal preference, nothing against This New at all. The toe box on this style of shoes gets a little bit narrow at the tip. but because the material is so soft, it's hardly noticeable. I am still 100% satisfied with this purchase and wouldn't change anything else. The cost. How much would a pair of these cost you? The casual, breathable, non-slip sports shoes for men and women, link in the description, cost $34.99 to print, and shipping to the US is $6.97. These styles of custom print shoes are going for $50 to $75 on Etsy as of May 2021. That's roughly 100% return on investment. That's like putting $1 in a computer and it gives you $2 back. Recap and summary. In summary, the casual, breathable, non-slip sports shoes for men and women, link in the description, offered by ThisNew.com is yet another amazing product. Another win-win for any apparel store and a must-have for your online shoe store. Here's how I would rate them. Quality, 5 out of 5. Shipping, 5 out of 5. Packing, same as before, another 4 out of 5. Markup accuracy, 4 out of 5. The markups didn't get to show off how soft and stretchy the material is that the shoes are made of. Pricing, 5 out of 5. From this point forward, I'm gonna give anything that makes double your money back a perfect score. Potential profit value, 5 out of 5. I want to take a moment to thank everyone who downloaded and rated my course 5 out of 5. Thanks to you, my course is a best-selling course and it's the most comprehensive print-on-demand course on the entire Udemy platform. If you made it this far, you're probably wondering how you can get my courses absolutely free. My first course, teaching you how to start your own clothing brand on Etsy, has an 80 to 90% discount code in the description right now. But if you're really lucky, you'll be able to catch a limited number of free codes I linked in the description as well. There are only 10 spots available for the free sign-up. I've also released a digital drawing course that teaches you how to create art in an application called Procreate that you can then place on your print-on-demand products. I threw some discount codes for that in the description as well. That's exactly what I use to create the art on these shoes and the art on this shirt. And there you have it. What do you think about casual, breathable, non-slip sports shoes in your POD store? After watching this, are you going to be adding these shoes to your store? Tell me in the comments below. I'll pin the best comment to the top. I hope you found this video useful. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Didn't like this video? It's cool, it's cool. Hit the dislike button and let me know why you hate me. Nope, just kidding. All the dislike button does is orders me the most expensive drink at Starbucks and bills it to you. I wish. If you have any recommendations for future reviews, drop those in the comments as well. I'll be chatting with you guys in the comment section between videos, so as always, happy selling. And remember, be safe and you're awesome.